Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of my handiest gadgets I have. This is the Galaxy A7 Lite. One of the things I like about this tablet is how handy and easy is this to move from one place to another. Like, look, I can hold this with just my own hand, and I can move it to different places, and it just has a great size for reading, and at the same time doing some of your favorite activities. You do your like gaming, you can do your watching your videos on YouTube, and you're always going to have the opportunity that as this is a tablet that has a really nice screen like Samsung likes to do, you can see your Netflix movies or anything that you want to do, all of your media, and it's really well powered because it's going to give you a long lasting battery, easy ways to put it in your backpack, no problem. You can go to all the places, and this could be like your commute. So if you're looking for a great option that is going to give you a great flexibility when it comes to having your own commute, traveling to different places, and like a good support, this Galaxy A7 tablet is great. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.